Mercedes-Benz is one of the most sophisticated car manufacturers in the world. The 7th generation of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class finally made its official debut this year. The new car comes with an all-new interior design language and with a host of new technologies. So here are the top things that you need to know about it. Compared to the previous generation, the design of the new S-Class is evolutionary. With the new design, the car is very much recognizable as the S-Class. Even with the huge grille, the car still maintains its majestic appearance without looking out of place. Like every new S-Class generation, the interiors and the rear seat comfort remains the highlight. The new car has completely revamped its interior design language and portrays a new direction for Mercedes interiors. For starters, there is a high-resolution screen which dominates the cabin. Mercedes states that the functionalities of over 27 physical buttons have been moved to the screens. The wheelbase of the new S-Class is increased by 51mm. This translates an increased legroom compared to the previous generation. The car features a large 12.8-inch portrait OLED touchscreen with the haptic feedback. The screen floats in front of a mostly button-free dashboard and sits just next to the steering wheel, which much looks sleeker than the previous iterations. In total, Mercedes-Benz says that there are 27 fewer hotkeys in the new Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The second generation MBUX is powered by all new hardware that adds functionality and features across the car. Improvements to the Hey Mercedes voice command system and the new personal profiles can be accessed via fingerprint sensor or voice recognition. The new MBUX will let drivers save various preferences like seat settings, interior, lighting color, and favorite radio station, and many more. The S-Class will get a fingerprint sensor and voice recognition as standard. Mercedes-Benz also says that the new S-Class will receive over-the-air software updates over the course of its life cycle for the updates to the infotainment system, lighting, and driving assistance system. The new S-Class is launched with the choice of 6-cylinder inline petrol and diesel engines in the various output states. The petrol engine produces 367 brake horsepower and 500 Nm of torque in S450 trim and 435 brake horsepower and 520 Nm of torque in the S500 trim. A petrol V8 with a 48-volt mild hybrid system is expected to follow along with a plug-in hybrid version with an all-electric range of 100 km. Meanwhile, the diesel engine is allowable in 3-liter 6-cylinder option, a 286 brake horsepower and 600 Nm of torque in a S350 trim and the 330 brake horsepower and 700 Nm in a S400 trim. All the diesel model except the S350D gets a 4MATIC all-wheel drive system as standard, and 9-speed automatic gearbox is standard for all petrol and diesel variants. The 7th generation S-Class comes with a heads-up display with augmented technology, which means the car tracks where your eyes are and the navigation arrows are displayed onto the windscreen, so they appear on top of where you are supposed to or make a turn or bear off an highway onto an exit. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class in Europe will be capable of level 3 autonomous. Many cars today do level 2 autonomous, where the driver has to be 100% attentive while the car steers, accelerates and brakes. Here, Mercedes claims that its level 3 autonomous technology represents a freeway conditionally automated mode up to 60 km per hour. It means that the car will be able to drive all on its own or is required to be prepared to take over at any given time. The 7th generation Mercedes-Benz S-Class has set a high benchmark in luxury, comfort and technology in its segment. In fact, the standard model is more than enough to pamper most of its potential customers. However, Mercedes is taking its step ahead with an even more luxurious version. The Maybach S-Class on the inside retains its minimalistic interior design of the 7th gen S-Class. Specific to the Maybach version are the wood finishes for the front seat backs with the matching finishes applied to the rear center console. The car comes with the individual executive rear seat package and chauffeur package as standard. The executive seats can recline as much as 43.5 degrees and the backrest of the front passenger seats can be tilted forward as much as 23 degrees to free up even more room at the back. The 2021 Mercedes-Benz S-Class comes with many advances in safety equipment. The new car comes with pre-safe impulsive side function, where the car will lift itself 3 inches to protect passengers if the side impact crash is imminent. The car also comes with the world's first rear seat airbag package, which is standard in long-wheelbase car and optional in short wheelbase. This innovative world first rear seat airbag is designed to protect passengers seated on the outer rear seats of the vehicle. Mercedes claims that in the event of severe front collision, this system greatly reduces the load acting on the head and neck of the rear passengers sitting on the outer sides. Car also comes with automated emergency braking, which is now optional lane changing features that will move the car over to the next lane to avoid crash if the adjacent lane is empty. All in all, there might not be a much more safer car out there than the 2021 S-Class. Mercedes-Benz says that this 7th generation S-Class will come to India at the second half of the next year. And also, do let us know which car do you prefer, this new S-Class or the BMW 7 Series or the all-new Audi A8. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you liked this video. Do let me know in the comment section below of what you think of the new S-Class. Cheers!